Hi! I'm excited to show you today how to make this one-page wonder 6-pocket book. Let's get started! So I finally found double-sided paper that I liked, and this one was from Amazon. The only thing I don't like is it's the same pattern on the front and the back. So if you guys have really good places to get double-sided paper with really cute patterns, please let me know in the comments down below. Give me a link. But I'm just going to begin by taking my 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper. I'm going to fold it in half. And then I am just going to cut this page in half. Next, I'm going to take my halves and I am going to cut them into thirds. Also, I meant to point out, when I cut them, I made sure that my pattern was, how do I say this? Like, it needs to go horizontal, and so that this is like the top and this is the bottom of my book. I didn't want to cut it this way because then this would be the top and this would be the bottom and the pattern would look weird, but okay. So I'm going to take my horizontal pieces and I'm going to fold them into thirds, and since this is a 12 by 12, 1/3 would be 4 inches. So if you have a scoring board, you can score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. But if you're like me and you don't have one, you can just grab a pencil and score or draw a line at 4 and 8 inches, and then I just fold my pages back like so. And that is how I fold my pages into thirds. I'm going to go ahead and fold the other one into thirds. So now that my pages are folded into thirds, I'm going to fold up the bottom so that I have a pocket that I could put cards in. I folded it, I kind of eyeballed it, but it looks like it's like 1 3/4 of an inch. But like I said, I just kind of eyeball it, and then I hold it up to my other page as I fold to make sure that they are folded to the same length. Next, I just really like to go back and crease it really well. So I just use the end of my scissors, press down, and then I'll do it with the other one. And then next, I'm going to fold them. So this one will be the front one. So my left pocket, I'm going to fold forward, and then I'm going to take this third pocket and I'm going to fold it backwards. So then I have my cover, and then my first couple pockets, whoopsie, and then this pocket. And then this book, I'm going to fold it in the opposite direction. So the first pocket, I'm going to fold backwards. And the third pocket, I'm going to fold forward. So that creates the back cover. And then I've got my 6 pockets. So now I'm just going to go back and really crease down like I did the bottom, but I'm going to do it to the sides now. So then if you put your pieces together, you have your book. And now we are going to tape. So I'm going to add tape on this end and this end of the flap so that it will hold close. Like here on the back, you can see it was taped down. And then I will do the same to this one. So next I need to tape down these two that create the space. If you really wanted, you could just tape it on the bottom and the side, and then you could have a top pocket if you wanted, and that just creates another pocket for you. I did not, I taped them all down so that the pages were pages. So, but as you can see, I have no openings on the top, but they're together. So in order to do that, I am just going to tape these sides together. And then on this one, I'm going to tape these sides together. So I have my pages taped together, and now I need to connect the two books. And you could do this a couple of ways. If you wanted, you could just get a totally different piece of scrapbook paper and have a nice long piece that you tape over the front and the back, and then that will keep them together. You could use the rings that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree. You could use something like that to hold them together. Make several of these, and then you'd have a lot of pockets. I'm going to use washi tape, and I'm just going to take 1/2 of it and take the tape so that it's on half of it. I went with this Christmas one because I'm feeling kind of like Christmas will be here before I know it, so starting to work on some of that stuff. And then I'm just going to take my washi tape and my book and make sure you know your pockets are on this same bottom, and then just fold it over. I didn't make that one long enough, but that's okay. So you have that, and then I opened it up to the center, and I did washi tape on the center as well to just kind of keep it in the same place. So now my book is together, and now I can fill the pockets and I can decorate. So some things you could do, I know I throw this out a lot, but like you could use it as a gift. You know, you could write a note, and then if you wanted to do some gift cards or something like that, you could use it for memory recording where, you know, you have a picture or list making. gratitude recording. Really, you could use it for lots of things. So I'm going to go ahead and put something on the front of this cover and then fill my pockets. So there you have it, a pretty simple one-page wonder where you make a 6-pocket notebook. And I just think they're really cute and they have tons of possibilities. Let me know in the comments down below how you would use one. Also, when you order something from my Etsy site, the last order I got, I sent out a little piece of Happy Mail with it. It's one of these that I put together. So if you guys put in an order, you'll probably get some Happy Mail in your order as well. So head over to the Etsy shop. I will link the video where I show you what I currently have in the Etsy shop. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.